Let's just start with your reaction to that data an hour ago.
Yeah, I mean, Jonathan, I'm really kind of shocked that we're seeing such a huge response. I mean, especially when you look at the NASDAQ, you and Kaylee were just speaking about that. The fundamentals in those companies really haven't changed. Yes, when they do their discounted cash flows, that's going to be a little bit different. They're long duration stocks, so I can see them rallying a little bit. But 5% when we still have demand that's been pulled forward, you still have restrictions in regards to chips being exported, all of that. I'm really kind of surprised we have seen such a strong rally. We did expect inflation to come down a little bit. And as you mentioned, month over month is key. That's what the Fed's looking at. And you look month over month, a big component of that was used car prices and apparel. We expected that as well because supply chains were doing better. So I'm glad that we've seen the month over month numbers come down. I'm surprised that we're seeing such a positive move in the markets. I would expect we're going to give some of this back, if not tomorrow, probably beginning of next week.
Well, Victoria, let's break it down then. As always with data, you can learn something from the data and you can learn something from how the market responds to it. What do you take away from how the market's responding to it this morning?
Well, I think we're getting a little bit over our skis, and we've done that before. This is what our third, what I consider a bear market rally so far this year. We still have a Fed funds rate that is 250 basis points below inflation. So if you're telling me this is the all clear sign, I'm just not agreeing with you on that. I think we still have a lot of volatility to go. I don't think the Fed is going to stop because of this one number that we see. And you and I have spoken before about the oil and the energy component that we see going for the rest of this year. Remember, there's still European sanctions to go into place in December, along with all the other December items that you mentioned. So yes, we have a decent economy, in my opinion. You've got consumption still there. You know, I love watching the consumer, and the consumer is still strong, but I think there's still a lot of volatility, and I'm not sure that we're ready to ring the all clear bell yet.